Okay guys, now with the electric part, because the car do not want to start because all the plugs from the gearbox are removed. So this is the main plug. As you can see, it is located on the gearbox. Let me show you. Here where the rod is connected, this is the old gearbox. Now to think that the car is in neutral or park neutral, didn't test it, you must join together the black one and the black white. As you can see, these two I have already connected and isolated. these two cables, as you can see, the yellow and the red black, this is for the reverse white. I'm connecting it to the BMW reverse white switch. This is the cable. I'm putting cable which is going down to the switch. Let me show you. So let's put some white here. Let me show you guys. As you can see, the cable is coming from there, from the right side of the bell housing, and right to the reverse white switch. Now I must connect these cables together, so when I put the car in reverse, the back lights of the car, this one, will light up. I tested, so I'm sure that this is the correct wires. I'll make a video later.